Ladies and gentlemen, how are you? How are you? I really, I really thank you for watching the last videos. You are very important for me. Please, your contribution, please just, uh, it is very crucial for us and even for you, please. And I would like to thank you to everything that you do, to your time for watching the videos. Just, it is the best contributions that you give us. Thank you very much. So, muraba agaciro mwebwe mukurikira kandi mukanareba videos kuva dutangira kugeza amagingo aya, muraba gushimirwa kandi mukwiriye imigisha myinshi. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the class of English, please. Just welcome. And when we are together, I feel happy, please, and everything is well done because of being together with you. Just. So now, please, let me welcome you, please, to this lesson. It is very important. Now, we are going to study about the modal verbs and even the tenses, but so that we can cover the lesson, we will use the common mistakes or errors that are always occurred in this lesson. So please, uyu munsi noneho tugiye kurebera hamwe isomo ryacu rya makosa asanzwe tujya tubona mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Iki ni ikintu cyiza cy'ingenzi cyazajya kidufasha twese mu kuvuga neza ururimi rw'icyongereza. Hanyuma reka dutangire isomo ryacu. Please, just now, please, I always tell you how to beautify your lesson, how you can teach your lesson effectively, your students. Just the secret is about smiling. You smile, please. Please, just you have to smile, and even when you smile, the students will smile. Okay? So the first one that you have to do by speaking English, just the first one is the confidence. Number one is confidence. Do you have confidence? What you have, what you should know is confidence. That's why, please, you should build the confidence by speaking any language, that even French, even Kiswahili. But first of all, now we are talking about English. It is what the one that you should speak with confidence. Even though you can speak the different mistakes, but the important one is the confidence, right? So let's now begin our lesson today, right? So here we have the common mistakes or errors. And here we have the modal verbs and tenses. So here we have the exercises. So now, please, we should manage our time so that we can make the video very interesting, right? So it's an amazing lesson, please. Just your best, and it is better to see this video from the beginning up to the end, right? So let's begin here. Here we have the sentence. He should plant more trees. What is the mistake? So please, you will see there the mistake is, okay, the mistake is here. Please, always the modal verbs are followed by the verb, the infinitive verb without changing anything. So let's listen to one. You can say he should plant more trees. So on this word, please don't read trees. It is not trees. You will say, you will read trees. Repeat after me, trees. It's okay. So you see, this S is an error, is a mistake, right? It should be removed, right? So the second one, here we have John can speak in English. Is it correct? it is there a mistake. What is it? Or this speaking? Yes, we can't have the gerund after modal verb. That's a common mistake, right? And I will write John can. This is modal verb. After modal verb, there is base verb or infinitive verb without true, right? Speak English, right? You see there, please. It is very important to see when you have these modal verbs, and in our daily life, just to use it by speaking, by communicating, by teaching. So that's why, please, you can study this one carefully, and just if you have any question, just you ask, right? And you write it in a comment, right? So let's see. And the next one, number 3, is they will visit their friends. And say the mistake is, okay, after modal verb, just we put there the infinitive there too, or the infinitive verb without changing that one. They will visit their friends. Their friends. Right. You see there, the mistake is ed, right? Just it must be removed so that we can make your sentence well structured, right? Here we have the number 4 is you may come early. Is it this one, please? Is there any mistake? It is there. All right. Here we have this came. So this cannot be a, but can be you may come. The infinitive verb without true of this came is past simple. Like this one, this infinitive verb, right? Come early. Right. So let's see the next. You see this one, please. It is the correct one. Number 5. It shine at 10 a.m. Is it correct? Is there any mistake? Excellent. It is there. It shines. Because it is a third person in singular and a present simple tense, right? It shines at 10 a.m. Which one? It's a sun, right? So, number 6. He always prays before getting asleep. So, what is the mistake? Just here we see this is a present simple. Here we have this adverb of frequency. Always. And we say he always prays before getting asleep. Right. It means the mistake is occurred here on this verb on this third person. It is a third person in a singular, right? So that's why you will put there s. Good. And the present simple tense, right? So here we have another one which is the number 7, right? So you will see and just you will tell us where there is a mistake, right? So please, this one, just you will do it in a comment. It's okay? So you will see, he has written a formal letter. What is the mistake? Just you have to read carefully and check if each word is written correctly. So if it is written wrongly, just you will correct it and write it in a comment, right? It's okay. Good. Please, I thank you for your attention about this lesson, and I would like to invite you about following each lesson. Please, just I will never give up about uh, teaching on this channel because of you, right? Please, bashimiye umurava ndetse nuko mwitanga mu kureba izi video ndetse n'aya masomo yacu. Intego yacu ni ukumenya ururimi rw'icyongereza, dukosora amakosa kandi twese twigira hamwe. Muri ab'agaciro mwese muhabwe umugisha kubwo kureba izi videos. Keep watching. I really thank you for your important contribution. Ciao, ciao.